This Math Excel problem is Chapter 3, Section 5. It's a word problem. It says a 3-day workout plan. An athlete ran 9 1/8 miles on Monday, 12 1/3 miles on Tuesday, 15 1/6 miles on Wednesday. How many miles did the athlete run? They want to answer as a mixed number if possible. Okay, so do you see what this problem involves? It basically involves adding 3 mixed numbers. And we've got, what, 3 unlike fractions with different denominators. So let's take a look at this on the pad. And you'll notice now that what we must do is we must find the common denominator for these unequal denominator values. And so I'm just going to use the prime factorization technique here. I'm just writing them down. And so all I'm going to do now is I'm going to say, well, what's the prime factorization of 8? 2 times 2 times 2. What's the prime factorization of 3? Well, just, 1 times 3. What's the prime factorization of 6? 2 times 3. And then the technique to develop the lowest common multiple, which is then going to be used, is going to be used as the lowest common denominator, will be to look at this prime factorization and bring down each of these individual factors the greatest number of times they occur in any one factorization. 2, 3 times. 3, 1 time. Okay. So what did I get here? 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 3 is 24. So the lowest common multiple, and therefore the lowest common denominator, is 24. So when I come over and I rewrite my problem, I'm not going to change those whole numbers, but these now I'm all going to convert to denominators of 24. Denominators of 24. And so you think with me, how do I convert 8 to 24? Times 3 and multiply also in the numerator. How do I convert 3 to 24? Times 8 times 8. Okay. How do I convert 6 times 4? Okay. So all we've done is we've taken those 3 unlike fractions, 1/8, 1/3, and 1/6, and converted them to 3 like fractions with an equal denominator. And that allows me now to just do my addition. 9 and 12 is 21, and 15 is 36. And now 3, 11, 15, right? 3, 11, 15, 15 24ths. You say, okay, that's a good looking answer. But can I simplify 15 24ths? Well, let's try it. 3 times 5. What is this? 3 times 8, which is this. Okay. You see what I just did? I just prime factored those numbers. I just prime factored. This is live TV, so ignore some of that. What do I now have left with? Cancel that out, and I get 5/8. Now, some of you wanted to say, well, that's 15 24ths. I can divide this by 3 and divide this by 3, and I get 5/8. Well, you either think cancel out common factors or divide through by the same value. So what's the bottom line here? The bottom line is 36 and 5/8. 36 and 5/8 is the bottom line answer. So let's make sure Math Excel likes that. 36 and 5/8. Hope we did it right. Yay, good job. Good job, Math Excel says. Good job.